heard these birds singing from the window. This is how sweet the gospel, how sweet the plan of God's salvation for each of us should be to us. Today is June 6th. There's 3 saints right off the bat that all seem to have a theme to me. The first one was an archbishop, I believe, of Mexico, and he was specifically training young men with the idea of the priesthood. The second was, I think, was teaching education and religion together, that he thought that the two should go together. I'm not doing this justice. And then the third, Saint Norbert of Byzantium, I believe evangelized, or was also, his work, I believe, regarded church reform, and one of them had some very interesting quotes. He worked with children or boys, and how we always have to educate them in both the way of life and the way of, our faith, which should be the same. But anyway, let's try to, we need priests. One of the points was that we need priests, and the bishop said that it was his job to take care of his priests and promote the priesthood. And I don't think we do that really as much as we probably should. We need priests. He said he didn't need his mitre, he didn't need his cathedral, he didn't need his crozier. What he needed was priests that were, good, faithful priests. So, and that starts with the children. They have to be taught the faith in the first place so that they can discern what their vocation is. 95% will choose marriage, but some are chosen to serve in a different way in the priesthood, and in sisters and nuns are for the ladies. How does one know that if they don't know the faith, then they're not going to know that they need to figure that out? I was thinking, how many people were supposed to be priests and didn't, and how does that whole show work out? One thing we do know, God has a plan for all of us, and we need to know him so that we can love him. So be the person who spreads the faith around, even if you're doing it, as they say, simply by your charity, by your kindness. And let's let the beautiful voice of the church come into everybody's hearts like a songbird.